to my second online class. I hope you all are well and you are passing a very critical moment because of pandemic coronavirus. Dear student, in my last class, I discussed with you about your syllabus. Today, I would like to discuss with you about Unit 1, Lesson 1. That is the unforgettable history. However, before starting my class, I would like to introduce at first myself with you. I am Shamim Ahmed Polash, lecturer in English, Shohid Nader Ali Girls School and College. Today's our discussion topics is unforgettable history. You know very well that this history is actually unforgettable because without this history we cannot see an independent country like Bangladesh. And Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is called the father of the nation of Bangladesh. However, before starting the class, you have to know something about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Do you know who is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? Yes, he is the father of the nation of Bangladesh. Actually, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born in 17 March 1920. And his father's name was Lutfur Rahman and mother's name was Sahira Khatun. When we go through the lesson, we will discuss with you about the life history of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, different activities done by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Already you have gained some idea about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Now I will discuss with you about his life history. Actually, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman founded the Muslim Student League. Founded the Muslim Student League. Number 2, fourth line leader of the language movement and was arrested on March 11, 1948. 1948. Number 3, re-elected the president of আওয়ামী লীগ, আওয়ামী লীগ in 1970. Took part in the general election of 1970 and gained absolute majority. Absolute majority. Addressed a Namoth public rally at the race course ground on 7 March. Next, following the presentation of 6 points doctrine, sedition, case, name Agartala conspiracy. Case was imposed by Ayub Khan. Dear student, you know very well that once upon a time our country was under the ruler of East Pakistan, and the name of our country was East Pakistan, and it was ruled by West Pakistan. So, however, dear student, already you have gained some idea and some information about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Actually, without his birth, we cannot see an independent nation like Bangladesh, and he is remembered all time in our country. Dear student, now I will see you a picture. What is the picture? Do you know what is the picture? This picture is about the historical speech of 7th March 1971. And this speech is very, very important for the Bangladeshi. And by this speech, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman joined all the people of our country. Now, look at the photograph of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman giving the 7th March 1971 historical speech. Asked and answered the question pair. What do you know about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? Dear student, already I have given some idea about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Where is he giving the speech? What was the time? Where he was giving the speech? Do you know where he was giving the speech? Yes, he was giving the speech at Race Course, Maidan. What was the time? It was 7th March 1971. Have you ever heard the speech where? Have you ever heard the speech? Obviously, you have heard the speech. You have heard the speech in your TV set or in any public places. Dear student, first of all, read the text. My brother, I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. You are fully aware of the events that are going on and understand that their imports. Dear student, you notice that with a very grief heart, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman stands before us, and he told in a very fiery voice, we have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation. We are trying heart and soul to cope the situation very easy and comfortable, but actually we do not cope with the problem. And yet, unfortunately, the street of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi and Rangpur are awasted with the blood of our brothers. Though we are trying very hard and soul to cope the situation very easy and comfortable, but it will be impossible for us to cope with the problem. And most of the people of our country and most of the people of our brothers are awash with their blood in Rangpur, Dhaka, Rajshahi city. The people of Bangla now want to be free, the people of Bangla now want to live, and the people of Bangla now want their rights. Actually, by this speech, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman want to say that the people of our country now want to be free. They want to free here and there freely. They want to live in peacefully, in a harmony, and they want to get their proper rights. What we have done, that was wrong. Actually, was it wrong what we have done? After the elections, the people of Bangladesh voted as one for me and for Dawami League. We were seat in the National Assembly, draft a constitution for ourselves there. Dear student, do you know what is the meaning of constitution? Constitution. Constitution. What is the meaning of constitution? Constitution means Sambidhan. Constitution means সংবিধান. After the election, the people of Bangladesh voted. Actually, what they want do not get it properly. They suffers very much agony and suffer torture. That is why they do not live in a harmony way. However, my student, from this point of view, we can easily understand that once upon a time we are not free. Our country was not freedom, and for this Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman